equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Start by gathering your tools, a precision screwdriver set, tweezers, and isopropyl alcohol for cleaning. First, power off the laptop and remove the back cover. Be careful with the screws. Keep them organized. Once inside, visually inspect the charging circuit for any burnt components or loose connections. If you spot any damage, take note. Next, use isopropyl alcohol and a soft cloth to clean the area around the charging port. This ensures a good connection. Now, if you need professional help, remember, we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation. If you prefer, we can arrange pickup and delivery at your home. No calls, no travel, just convenience. After cleaning, reassemble the laptop and test the charging function. If it still doesn't work, it might be time to get a quote before repair. Always ensure you're comfortable with the process before proceeding. Regular maintenance can prevent future issues, so keep your device clean and check for any signs of wear. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.